CSOFT's new generation Stealth Glove is a combination of the latest technological advances in neoprene. The new Super Stretch neoprene keeps its shape, stretches to fit, and resists the fracturing of the air cells even after scores of dives. The Stealth's outer layer is a new type of high-stretch, super abrasion-resistant Dynahide for one of the toughest gloves available today. All seams are dry suit glued, blind stitched, and the 2 layers of titanium flake foil provide added warmth. This, combined with the ultra-snug fit, allows very little water to enter the Stealth, keeping your hands warmer on those longer dives. The glove's gauntlet reaches well past the wrist, ensuring a good overlap with your suit, and is secured with a reinforced wrist strap. Ingenious baked-in rubber strips provide a solid grip when handling tools or dive lights. Stealth gloves are available in 3 or 5 mm and in 9 sizes, from 3 extra small to 3 extra large. The bottom line, the construction and ultra-snug fit of these gloves ensure your hands will be warm and dry.